Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Windows 10 Dell computer without the need for any disk. So this should be hopefully a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, just by left clicking on it one time. And now you want to left click on the little settings button on the left, so it looks like a little gear icon when you hover over it. And you can also type in settings as well into the Start menu, but you want to end up at a screen that looks like this. Now you want to scroll down until you get to Update and Security, Windows Update Recovery Backup. Left click on this tile right here. Now on the left side, left click on the Recovery tab. Underneath Recovery, reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstalls Windows. Left click on Get Started. Now you have a couple options here. If you want to do a complete clean reinstall of the operating system, I'd recommend left clicking on Remove Everything, which is the second option at the time of this recording, which removes all your personal files, apps, and settings. First option is keep your files, which is just basically documents and pictures, but if you have programs, it's not going to save those either way. And regardless of what selection you make, I would highly recommend creating an external backup copy of your files through either a USB flash drive, CD, DVD, whatever medium you prefer, doesn't really matter to me. So I'm going to select Remove Everything, and whatever choice you make back there is going to affect some of the choices we're going to be making down the road. For example, do you want to clean the drives? First option is basically if you just want to do a clean install, but you don't really want to do a deep clean of your drives. So if you're going to be keeping your computer, I'd recommend selecting the first one here. If you're looking to remove your files and you're going to be giving them to somebody or donating the computer, I'd recommend selecting the second one here, and it will take considerably longer. First option should be a little bit faster, so I'm going to select just remove my files. And then again, this is your last chance to confirm that you are going to be resetting your computer, which will remove all personal files and user accounts on this PC, all apps and programs, and any changes made to settings. And this will take a while, so once you left click on reset here, it will begin resetting your computer. The time it takes will depend on your computer's specifications, how fast your computer is and whatnot, but definitely a good amount of time for this. Let it run, just be patient. Okay, so at this point you're going to enter in some information. You're going to enter your country, preferred language, keyboard layout, and what time zone you're in. And then once you've checked all of that, you're going to select next. It'll begin applying these settings. You're going to have to accept the end user license agreement. You can use express settings to instantly get back and speed up the process a little bit, or you can click on customize right here. It should be the middle button, and you can customize what you're exactly installing when you're resetting Windows 10. So if you want to disable sending input data to Microsoft, you can deselect that by clicking inside of these horizontal boxes, and you can go through and check them out on your own, but I'm going to keep most of them default how they are, and I'm going to select next here. I'm going to select next again, and you guys are more than welcome to go check through and see exactly what you are agreeing to. I'm just trying to speed this video up a little bit. Okay, so at this point you have the option to enter in your Microsoft account credentials if you were previously using a Microsoft account to use your account. You could also create a new Microsoft account, or you could skip this step and create a local account on your computer, which what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do a quick little example for you guys. I am not going to enable Cortana, so I'm going to select not now. And there we go. We can see we are logging into Windows, and it should be a fresh installed Windows we are logging into right now. Okay, so we actually have an update waiting, but I'm not going to select that, so I'm going to do not now, bottom left. Okay guys, so it looks like the computer has successfully restored back to a factory state. Now, if you want to bring back any programs, documents, pictures, what have you, hopefully it shouldn't be an issue. Now, as a good practice, I would recommend creating a system restore point at this time as well, but I mean, that's about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.